start with the name of the God. So always my first thing I speak with the guys, listing is the main key of success. Listing is the main key of success. If you work for the listing, you are the winner. But first of all, like how to get listing and how we can work. So just you can just start work in 2 buildings, that is enough. Start 4 building, and then after that choose 2 building. Once you choose 2 building, then in 2 building, let's say if the building has 700 properties, so if 10% availability is approx like 70 apartment. In 70 apartment, minimum, let's say you can get only 20 apartment. The owner will okay, they approve, okay, you can work on that one. So 20 apartment, you cannot rent 20, you can rent 5 apartment. So 5 apartment equal to 5,000 is 25,000 in the start first month. Okay, definitely the next month 5, not 5 deal, then 10 deal, then 20 deal. But choose only 2 building. That 2 building is enough for you. That 2 building give you bread and butter and everything. This is a rental deal, I'm telling you guys. If you close one sale deal, it's more for that. So the reason, and then you can go to your investor, you can sell off brand, you can sell secondary, you can sell primary. So every month you're closing deal, you have the good relation with the owner, you have the good relation with the tenant, and the tenant is giving you more tenant, owner is giving you more reference. So please understand, guys, work on 2 building, any of the area you're working, only 2 building, that is enough for you. That is very informative video. And the reason, like mostly people, they really understand, they work in 10 building, and after 10 building they don't know what facility in the building, how many floor it is, like how many apartment in the building, how many 1 bedroom, how many studio, how many 2 bedroom, like what are the issue there, what is the good thing, what is the bad thing. So if you don't know the full building for that, then you cannot convince your customer even for rental, for sale. So try to understand for that. Okay, stay tuned for more videos. Jazakallah, Assalamu alaikum.